am studying the bilingual high school. This is my project which I am going to talk about. Dramatics about the Kichwa beliefs in dream of the Equatorial Amazon. They should not put money on the bed. Because they are going to be poor. They should not play with in the basket sticking in their hair because they are going to make people of short stature. It among it scraping in the pot it because they are going to fall into the hole. Children should not eat avocado because they will be ill. This is the tree avocado. And they should not bath water because when you are pregnant, it will fill with water in the belly. Here at night you will have another husband. If you dream of being trapped in the net, it is because you are going to stay. If you dream of fucking lost because you are going to lose a chicken. If you dream of saying food it is because the first person to come to your home is the one who let you. If you dream of crossing the river, it is because you are going to drink. If you dream of saying food, it is because